It finally came. I forgot about this PC case. I ordered it like 4 or 5 months ago. It came today. It's the tempered glass side panel luxury M-ATX PC case A275P. I got it for tax and all, shipping, handling, and tariff fees for $36. Let's open up and look at it. All right, it's unboxed. This from the back side. USB ports, headphone jack, reset button, power button, USB 2.0, 3.0, magnet filter. We got the back for micro ATX or ITX, and expansion ports, thumb screws. I'm trying to be careful here. Kids lapping in the background. Tempered glass. I'm not gonna peel this off yet. Yeah, that's real glass. It gets a little swinging hook, I think, here, or a little push button. I'm not for sure. You have to check it out here like a little bit later sometime. Looks really nice. Here's the front. That's where plastic so glass won't get scratched. And power supply goes in the basement, they said. This is the basement here, bottom. Cut out tray in the back. Got that for $36. Okay. Y'all have a good one now. That's all I want to show real quick.